Happy day and welcome to the Susan&Soulless Homestead. Please like, subscribe, follow, and all that kind of good stuff so you can see our videos and be inspired and share. Well, here's a little update on the Duckweed Nebula pond snail filter. This is the highest point of our property. We had this old water tank that we cut one of the ends off of. Still a little ghetto, but it's a work in progress. And we fill it full of duckweed. We've tried some other plants and grown them aquaponically in here and will in the future. But for right now, it's all about the duckweed, which is incredibly nutritious. And the chickens will eat it if they're really hungry, but koi will definitely gobble it up, so we scoop it out. It also helps filter, being the highest point, all the little sediment and everything that flows. I mean, look at that water, crystal clear. And as you can see, there's a reason we call it the snail pond. All these little snails just keep going around and around, cleaning it and cleaning it. Duckweed rotates. You can't have it too fast. We made that mistake and not only overflowed it. These are the two pipes that it gravity feeds back all the way back down, all the way over there, 300 feet to our rain pound capture. And then this one gravity feeds back to the main sump pump that the rain capture circles back to. And the duckweed just keeps circling in here. Here's a papyrus that we've added as an experiment. We're going to add it to the aquaponic pleasure dome. And duckweed's just nice. 3 different varieties. I don't know if you can see. There's a large one, and there's some sort of green one, and we got another one, but it's hard to tell. Let me see if I can't open this up for us a bit and show us. If you see the hairs are actually their roots, and they hang down in the water, and any of those little particles that float up to the surface are trapped and consumed by the duckweed. I know it's invasive in some circles, but in this case, it's food. What the heck is that? Oh, look at these splits. Look at that big old snail I just found. Holy crapola. It's a big one. We thought we only had little ones in here. I guess the Nebula Snail duckweed pond is really looking up to its thing. He looks like he's sleeping, the long sleep, but hey, I don't know. I think he was hanging upside down, so we're going to let him stay. And hopefully he's alive, and perhaps there's 2 different types of snails. These are very small snails in comparison, and they just came naturally. We didn't add them. They might have been on the water hyacinth or the duckweed or one of the plants we ordered, or perhaps arrived on the foot of a bird. Who knows? Anywho, there's these other snails called Tudor snails that people put in their ponds, but our concern with adding other types of snails, though it would look nice and possibly benefit the ecosystem, they are the size of a quarter, and we're afraid a few of them are gonna, make coochie and get stuck in these pipes that run underground, and that would not be nice. At least the little ones could. As you could see, I don't want 3 or 4 snails down in that pipe, but we'll see in the future, and apparently they may be coming on their own. Have a fantastic day. Oh, we're going to clean this out, but this is a little bed that gets covered, and this is all wrapped in greenhouse, and we usually grow kales and other greens because it's right next to our chicken coop, and then we could just pick fresh organic greens from them all year round and throw it right over into our chickens. Duckweed is wonderful. Make sure you plant it. Have a fantastic day. Come on back, check our other videos. And the chickens say, "Burr, burr, 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 burr."